What's up guys, welcome to this new video. So in today's video I want to show you guys this platform. It's called Metaverse. Now the name of the website is The42 on -metaverse.com. so I'll leave a link to it in the description box below so that you can sign up and enjoy the benefit. But before I show you how to sign up and every other thing and what you need to do, let me introduce you to the platform. So the fourth one here says because they are VIP levels, so the prices of each level of work is different. So they are VIP levels here, and the kind of VIP level you are determines the amount of money you are going to earn after you've completed the task. Now let me show you the profit level. Okay, so this is the profit level. As you can see here, level 1 20 USD, number of tasks is 10, and your income is 0.1, daily is 1, and annually is 360, and level 2 is 152, number of tasks 20, in tax income is 0.38, daily is 7.6 USDT, and so on and so forth. So these are the profit level here, and the level you are determines the amount of profit and what you are going to gain. So now let me show you the various VIP levels and how to go about becoming topping up for or subscribing for a VIP level. So right here, this is the VIP levels you have here. As you can see right here, I'm on VIP 4. So I'm on level 4 right now. I'm on VIP 4. I've purchased this and I'm on VIP 4. As you can see here, we have VIP 0, which is 0 USD, so you can start with that. Then if you're interested, you can then upgrade to this VIP 1, which costs 20 USDT, and you're going to be getting 30 USDT monthly, and this is it's recommended for everyone. So this is VIP 2, which is 152 USDT, this is VIP 3, which is 380 USDT to register, and so on. So they have a lot of VIP plans here. So you as the more VIP, the more level you are, the more money you are going to make from the platform. So I'm going to show you exactly how to go about recharging and subscribing to be a VIP member. Now if you want to recharge into the platform, you need to click on this section here called mine. So once you click on it, you're going to click on this wallet section. So before you do all of these things, make sure you register with the link in the description box below, because if you use that link to register, it's going to be easy for you. So use the link in the description box, register, and fill up your details, your phone number, your password, and just follow what I'm doing. So right when you're here now, if you want to recharge, all you need to do is to click on this recharge section here, and it's going to open up this tab. So you just click on this arrow section here, and it's going to tell you to enter the amount you want to recharge. So let's say I want to recharge 20 USDT, and number of transfer, I'll just enter 20 again. Okay, so I'll just enter 20 again, then I'll click on this recharge now. So once you click on that recharge now, it's going to pull up this stuff for you. Now what is going to happen is you can either scan this QR code and recharge, or you just come down here and copy their USDT account. Okay, so this is their address, their USDT address. So once you click on it, it's going to be copied. Then you can go to either Binance or Trust Wallet or wherever your cryptocurrency, whatever you're using, and paste in their address and transfer the required amount of USDT. As you can see, all the information is here. It's TRC20 and it's USDT, and this is the address. So you just copy the address and paste it on your Trust Wallet or your Binance and transfer the money here. Now once you do that, you need to screenshot that and upload it here. So you just click on this upload section, and this upload section here, let me show you. Okay, just this upload section here. So once you click on it, you're going to upload the stuff. So once you have uploaded it, your account will be topped up. Okay, so your account is going to be topped up. Then immediately you top up your account, then you can come back here and go to this VIP section. Let's say you want to purchase VIP 1, which is 20 USDT. So you just click on it, and as you can see, it's telling me that I'm on VIP 4 already, so I can't downgrade, I can't purchase VIP 2 anymore. So let's say I want to purchase a higher one, let's say VIP 5. So once I click on it, it's going to tell me that am I sure I want to pay this amount of USDT to become a member of this VIP5. I'll say yes, confirm, and it's going to tell me to recharge because I don't have sufficient fund. But if I have sufficient fund, it's going to take the fund and subscribe me to that VIP level. So that thing is, so this is very, very simple. Now let's say you've purchased it, and like just like me, I'm on VIP4. You purchased VIP4. Now how can you make money? Because that's the real deal. Now to do that, you need to come to this tax section here. Let me show you. So this tax section right here, so locate it. So just click on tax, and these are the tax that I have done today, or that I'm yet to submit. But for you you might see that it's going to be empty whenever you come. So you're going to be doing this daily. So just come to this home page here and locate this Facebook icon here, and once you do that, just click on it and you're going to see this VIP level. Now as you can see right there, I'm currently on VIP4, which is this one. This is my current status. Okay, so I can click on it. You cannot do any other tax on other VIP levels, but you can do the tax based on the VIP level you are, which is I am a VIP4. Okay, so let's say you just click on it and you're going to see. So I've exhausted my tax today. Let me just go to another one and show you. So once you click on it, you're going to see the various tax of the day. So these are the taxes you can do today on this plan, but I'm not on this level, so I can't do this. I can only do for VIP4, which is going to even give me more and more profit. So this one, let's say you are this. So once you have done this, all you need to do is to click on this one receive right here. So once you click on one receive, is going to take you to, let me show you what it's going to look like. It's going to take you to something like this right now on the screen. So once you are here on the screen, what you want to do is to click on this. So you can either click on it one by one. Like for example, if I click on this submit, it's going to submit it and it's going to be successful. And if I come back to my balance, it's going to increase to 14.40 USDT, sorry. And if I go back to tax and then submit another one, it's going to successful, and if you can't check again, it's going to be 15.60 USDT. So that's how the money is going to be increasing. Now instead of me to do this one by one, I can do this at once. So I can just click on this one submit right here. This one submit, that is going to submit everything at once. Now let me click on it and so that you see. So just click on it and it has submitted everything else. Once everything has been submitted, then when we go back to our balance, as you can see, I have here 48 USDT. Guys, just like that, I have 48 USDT. And if I want to withdraw, I can always come back here and withdraw my funds. Now for you to withdraw, you need to do some settings. Let me show you some settings that you need to do. So you need to come back here and click on this settings icon here, this one. So once you click on it, once you click on it, it's going to be brought straight to this place. So right now you need to add some information here. So right here on this USDT recharge, which is this one, USDT recharge address. So you just click on this arrow here and you're going to enter your USDT recharge address. So if you want to add a new one, just click on add now, and I added my real name, your address, and your name. So just like that. So just do that and add it. So you can get your USDT address from either your Trust Wallet or your Binance or whichever crypto stuff you're using. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do is to enter detailed information. So I've entered my real name. You want to enter your real name here and submit it as well. So once you've entered that, you need to set your fund password. So you can create your fund. So this one said original money code. You need to create this code. Now this code is what is going to enable you to be able to transfer or withdraw your money. So you need to set the code here and make sure the code, you remember it and you confirm it. So once you have done that, then the next thing, you can bind account, but this section is not available right now, so you leave it. So just do the necessary stuff. So after you've done this necessary stuff, you can as well edit your profile image and the rest of them, the portraits, but I'll just leave it. So once you've done all this stuff right here, you just go back and go to my wallet section. Then you can hit withdrawal. Then you can enter the withdrawal method. It's going to pull up this stuff. So this is my USDT account. So just click on it and confirm. And withdrawal amount, I can enter the amount I want to withdraw, which is 40 USDT, and I can enter my fund password here. So I'm not going to do that. I'll just leave it. and continue to earn more money on this platform. So I believe you enjoyed every part of it. So if there's any other thing you don't understand, you can tell me in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer your questions about the platform. Of course, you can also contact their service center with this option called My Service. Let me show you. With this option here, you can contact my service center, and they will respond to you whenever you have an issue. So that's how you earn money in this platform. Now don't forget to use my link in the description box to sign up in order for you to be able to start making money from this platform. Now they also have promotional rewards. You can invite your friends with this code. So this is the QR. You can use your QR code, or you can use your own referral code, or you can copy your referral link, which is this one, and paste for people, and whenever they register you have a little commission as well. So you can do that. Okay, so you remember to sign up using my link in the description box below as well. So okay guys, I hope you understand everything. Now if you have any question about this platform, I'll be in the comment section, so you just tell me the question and I'll be glad to answer you. Okay, so these are the basic stuff you need to know about the platform. So guys, I believe this video was helpful, and I want you to start doing taxes, start completing it, start signing up, so that you're going to earn more money for yourself. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Thank you so much.